Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix AirDrop not working and file receiving problem on iPhone. So first of all, daily routine is not forget. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So first of all, fix this issue. Do not waste any time. Fix this problem. First solution, you have restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then you have open the setting and then you have click on Bluetooth is a turn on and off and on, and then restart, and then you have Wi-Fi is turn off and on. Here is restart on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have reset network setting. Then you have again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general and then scroll up transfer or reset and click on reset and reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode and wait 10 to 20 seconds. Do not lose any data from iPhone, only reset network setting. And then other solution, you have restart your device. Then volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. And then other solution, you have update iOS version. Then you have again open the setting and click on general and then software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. Then your install on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. And make sure AirDrop is enabled on your device. And then you have open the control center and then you have AirDrop is everyone select, then your problem will be fixed. Must be uh, use then enable on your device and then turn off personal hotspot. Then again open the control center and click on Wi-Fi. I have personal hotspot is turned off already, and then you have already, and then must be turned off on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.